Imagine getting a call from yourself. Same voice, same tone, same words you might actually say. But it's not you. It's an AI. And it already knows how you talk, how you move, and what you believe. Welcome to the age of full identity cloning, powered by artificial intelligence. This isn't just deepfakes anymore. This is complete digital mimicry, where machines can copy your voice, your face, and even your personality, and talk without your permission. Today, we explore how AI is replicating real people in terrifyingly accurate ways, and how this tech is already being used in entertainment, business, scams, and even politics. Let's start with voice. With just 3 seconds of your voice, modern AI tools can generate full conversations in your tone, pitch, and style. Some tools can clone emotions, sadness, excitement, sarcasm, on command. They don't just sound like you, they feel like you. And that's exactly what scammers have started using. Families have received calls from loved ones begging for help, only to realize later it was an AI fake. Ransom scams are skyrocketing, and corporate voice impersonation is now a cybersecurity threat. Now add your face. Deepfake AI can take a few images or videos and build a fully animated version of your face that talks, blinks, laughs, and responds in real time. In fact, some companies are using deepfake versions of their CEOs to deliver investor messages in multiple languages, without the CEO ever being present. And now, combine the two, voice plus face equals a digital version of you. But it doesn't stop there. Thanks to behavioral training models, AI can now mimic your personality. By feeding it your text messages, posts, emails, or even just your social media profile, it can learn how you think, what jokes you make, how you argue, what topics you love, and what kind of language you use. This is no longer an impersonation. It's a digital copy. And people are starting to deploy these clones in business meetings, customer service roles, online coaching, social media content, personalized ads. You might be speaking in meetings you never attended. Now let's ask the scary question. What happens when someone else makes a version of you without asking? Who owns your voice? Who owns your face? And who owns your style of communication? Legally, it's still a gray area. In many countries, there's no specific protection for AI-generated versions of real people, especially if they're not profiting directly. That means your identity could be copied, and you might never even know. And then there's politics. We've already seen deepfake politicians saying things they never said. Imagine an AI model that sounds exactly like a world leader, issuing fake orders or threats. This isn't theoretical. It's already happened in small tests, and it's only a matter of time before it's used to manipulate voters, markets, and entire nations. Even AI-generated interviews are being circulated online, with people saying things they never said, in voices and faces that look and sound 100% real. How do you defend yourself in a world where the fake is more believable than the real? There's a flip side, of course. AI clones of yourself could act as virtual assistants, handle repetitive calls for your business, be used for educational or legacy purposes, let you speak across multiple languages instantly, keep you alive for loved ones after death. Some are already building AI versions of themselves to leave behind a voice for future generations. That's powerful, but also deeply personal. So now the question becomes, where do we draw the line? Should voice and face cloning require explicit consent? Should your digital self be treated like intellectual property? And if someone uses your clone for harm, who's responsible? Because if AI can take your identity, use it, sell it, and replicate it, are you still in control of who you are? Let us know in the comments. Would you ever create an AI clone of yourself? And if not, how would you protect your identity from being cloned without permission? Let's talk about the future of you before it's taken away.